personal branding part. So it's best to keep on writing about things, whatever you feel in any medium. Maybe some people are good at tweeting things in the short format, or some people are good at writing some medium-sized content like a post, or some people are really good at putting it in elaborate and write a blog. Choose your right medium and start writing. You see this? After some real interesting conversation with a designer, I wrote what happened there. And this is a very recent post, I guess. This has been like just 1 week. I noticed when I'm commenting on somebody's post, LinkedIn is showing update this comment as a post, which is like a crazy experience. Imagine I'm writing that I agree with your post or I like your opinion. That can't really be an individual post, right? But still LinkedIn is adding that to increase the engagement, more doorways for them to get more content. So whenever you notice something so specific, it's better to write out. And yeah, this is another thing. You see this? This is around 1 week old post. And today just somebody commented 11 hours ago. So post was about, you guys have noticed something like this? People posting a lot these days.
Yes.
Which is more accurate. Yeah, this is happening. Yeah. And I was telling them from the product perspective, when micro bloggers are updating option A and B, asking to poll. So this is how a product manager thinks, okay, just because the thumbs up is easily accessible, you all will be getting biased response. It's good for engagement for LinkedIn on your post, but bad for the user who is consuming them because they'll get the bad data because it's easy for me to just click and go away. See, like is right here. The every other interaction is in the second level. So in the phone also, you are used to just click the like and go away. Very few people are going to put in that extra effort on hover or hold, then move to the right option because he's asking us to choose any other option there. Okay. So I mentioned that this is not the right place to do your research. And I got a response from one of the persons I know telling that it's not always like that. There are some people who are getting some meaningful insights out of it. So this is how you create the flywheel where people get to know what you are and make them talk to you, and you get into that feel of just surrounding everything around you to get something done. The best thing to do in the networking part, which actually helps. So those people who are actually writing in here are like designers and somebody who is building his own company. So it helps a lot on your networking side also. So he is also a product generalist, he mentions. So yeah, just thought I'll give you two hints without confusing and just leaving you on with a phrase telling that do your personal branding. It's really important. So do the retrospect a bit. Only if you have a very short phrase about, yes, maybe I did this project. Maybe it is relevant. I don't know. But you need to have all the details. Only then you'll be able to churn out that beautiful content on your resume. That is why I had to show this. And also personal branding part, you definitely have to get into this because you're just getting started. If people around you don't know what you're good at, it's going to get a little more difficult than where you are.